Did you know you can make this soap? It's super easy, fun, and perfect for gifting or treating yourself. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how to create these little luxuries at home. Hi, I'm Yuzette from Simply Earth. I love teaching people how to use essential oils and natural ingredients in creative ways. Let's get started and have some fun. I'm so excited to share with you today our lovely Loofah melt and pour soap recipe. This vibrant and swirled soap looks stunning and offers the natural exfoliating benefits of a loofah, making your skin feel cleansed and renewed. This recipe is part of the Simply Earth's DIY Loofah Melt and Pour Soap Kit, designed to provide everything you need to create your delightful soap right at home. In this kit, you will get a 12-cavity round silicone mold. This flexible mold makes it real easy to create beautiful round soaps. You'll get 12 loofah rounds. These exfoliate the skin and stimulate blood circulation. You'll also get a 1 ounce perfumer's alcohol with a spray nozzle. We'll use this to pop little air bubbles that may form on the soap. You'll also get a 2-pound glycerin melt and pour soap base. This safe soap base makes DIY soap creating so easy. You will get Ylang Ylang essential oil, helps promote youthful skin, and blood orange essential oil. This helps promote youthful skin as well and smells wonderful. Pearl mica powder. This is a natural colorant used to create the white color in our soap. Fuchsia mica powder. This is a natural colorant for the pink color in our soap. And tiger orange mica powder. This is our natural colorant used to add the color orange to our soap today. And finally, 12 circle soap wraps and labels to package your soap into a final product. If you want the best deal on these ingredients, you'll want to check out this DIY Loofah Melt and Pour Soap Kit. You can also shop the individual ingredients at simplyearth.com. I'll share some links below where you can easily shop the kit and these ingredients. What you are going to love about this kit is that not only everything you need to make beautiful soap is delivered right to your door, but each ingredient used in this recipe is safe. You'll love feeling good about the soap that you are using. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. Let's make our lovely loofah melt and pour soap together. Here are the measurements and the ingredients you'll be using with this recipe. We'll be making our soaps with this 12-cavity soap mold and all 12 loofah sponges. The loofah sponges are a natural plant and vary in size. You may need to trim them with scissors to fit the mold. We'll be using 20 ounces of soap, so you'll have some left over that you can use for future projects. We'll be using 100 drops of Ylang Ylang, which you can also measure as 1 teaspoon, and 200 drops of blood orange essential oil, which is the same as 2 teaspoons. After we melt the soap and add the essential oils, we'll be dividing it into 3 separate pitchers and coloring them with a 1/4 teaspoon fuchsia, tiger orange, and pearl mica powder. You can add more or less mica powder for stronger or more subtle shades. From your home, you will need 3 medium heat proof pitchers, liquid measuring cups, glasses, or similar tools, scissors, and tape. So first, you want to place 1 piece of loofah into each cavity of the mold. Some loofah pieces may be slightly too large for the mold. Use sharp scissors or a serrated knife to trim the loofah pieces to fit. Since the mold is flexible, it is possible to smush the loofah pieces into the mold. This causes the mold to bulge on the sides and will create different sized soaps that don't work as well with the paper packaging included in this kit and won't look as nice. So I recommend trimming the sponges as needed rather than forcing them into the mold. I'm putting the loofah sponges in first, but if you want, you can put them in last. After filling each cavity half full with soap, this gives you a little more control over how the loofahs will appear in the final soap. For example, you can hide the loofah inside the soap or place it so that more of the loofah sticks out of the soap more. Use scissors to trim the straw of the spray nozzle to fit the perfumer's alcohol bottle. Attach the spray nozzle to the bottle. Spray the prepared mold with perfumer's alcohol and set the mold and the spray aside. Cut and weigh 20 ounces of soap base or cut it into thirds. Place 1/3 of the soap back into its original packaging for future DIY soap projects. Cut the remaining 20-ounce, 2/3 of the soap into 1-inch cubes. Melt the soap in a double boiler or in the microwave, stirring every 30 seconds. It's really easy to overheat soap. Be sure to use short intervals if using the microwave to melt your soap. If you notice the soap bubbling up, remove it from the heat and stir it. Overheating the soap will have a more rustic appearance in the final product, but will still function as a soap. For a smoother, more beautiful finished product, be sure to melt the soap slowly and carefully. Once the soap has just melted, remove it from the heat, add the essential oil, and stir. Divide the soap into 3 pitchers or similar containers. In each pitcher, add 1 shade of mica powder and stir until the soap is uniformly colored. You should end up with 1 pitcher of fuchsia soap, 1 pitcher of tiger orange soap, and 1 pitcher of pearl white soap. Then simultaneously pour soap from 2 pitchers into a single cavity of the mold. So you end up with 2 colors of soap swirled together in the mold. Alternate between the 3 pitchers of soap until each cavity is filled. Remelt the soap as needed to pour. If you end up with any extra soap, pour the extra soap in a separate mold or container to remelt for the future projects. Spritz the soap with perfumer's alcohol to clear any bubbles that have floated to the surface of the soap. Allow the soap to cool and set. Once the soap has set, remove it from the mold. To package the soap, place it into the center of the soap wrap and wrap it around. The liner will not entirely cover the soap. Secure the paper line by placing a piece of tape or 2 across the soap. Next, label your soaps, placing the label over the small gap, and they are ready to be used or gifted. Alright, it's time to test out our lovely creations. I love the exquisite citrus floral aroma and the gentle exfoliation of the natural loofah against my skin. You can make this lovely loofah melt and pour soap too. Unleash your inner artist and join the fun. Get our DIY loofah soap kit today. Dive into a world of natural, vibrant creations and let your creativity soar. Join the hashtag I made this challenge today. Share your beautiful handcrafted soaps with us for a chance to win a $5 gift card and be featured on our social media channels. And for even more amazing recipes and tips, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Let's keep this exciting crafting journey going.